Hello! Today we are going to learn how to make a Halloween costume for Romeo, the evil genius from the show PJ Masks.
Whee! This is so much fun!
And the best part is that these costumes require no sewing. Your trick-or-treater will love them.
It's not just about having fun, even though it is fun.
Let's start by going over the materials that we need. We need a pair of scissors, a single hole punch, elastic string, a pencil, and a hot glue gun. You're going to need a parent to help you with the gluing and the cutting.
Come to watch me take over the world. Like you haven't tried that before. Not like this.
For Romeo's mask, we need black, beige, and silver foam sheets. For the rest of Romeo's costume, we need an extra large, long sleeve collared shirt, green dish gloves, and more black and teal foam.
Romeo? How did you get in? Duh, I'm an evil genius in case you forgot.
We cut all of the shapes that we'll need out of black Bristol board, so we can easily trace them. But you can also draw right onto the foam to save yourself a step. First, we use our cutout of Romeo's mask and trace the shape onto the beige foam. Now we take some scissors and cut out the shape. And we use the hole punch to make holes for the elastic band. It's important to do this step early on, so we know where to glue the other pieces.
Romeo? Well, hello, PJ Masks.
Let's put Romeo's face aside for now, and use some black foam to cut out his crazy hair.
Thanks for your help, Featherbrain. But none of you are coming on this ride. No!
Now, we use some more black foam to make his glasses and his eyebrows. We need to trace 2 circles and 2 eyebrows. And don't forget to turn one of the eyebrows around. The little square piece is to join Romeo's glasses in the middle. Finally, we use some silver foam to make the stripe in Romeo's hair. This is where it's helpful to use Bristol board cutouts, because it helps make sure that the stripe will fit perfectly on his hair.
You're barking up the wrong tree. Try these!
Now we are ready to use the hot glue gun to put all of the pieces of Romeo's mask together. Make sure to ask a grown-up for help because the glue gun is very hot. To finish our Romeo mask, we need to thread the elastic string through the holes and tie 2 knots on the back. Our Romeo mask looks excellent.
My plan is brilliant.
Not as brilliant as taking over the world.
Of course it is. Have you seen this dance?
It is good.
Now for the rest of the costume. Take the large button-down shirt and lay it out in your workspace. Add 3 stripes to the right-hand side using black foam. Also using the black foam, put a stripe across the chest and a stripe over the left shoulder. Now use the black foam to make a buckle and use the teal foam to make a button in the middle. Let's glue it all in place. Now we add some green dish gloves. And of course our mask. And voila! Our Romeo costume is done.
Forget about them. Just get the shrink. Uh-oh. Run!
Check out our other videos to learn how to make costumes for Luna Girl and Night Ninja. PJ Masks villains, we shout all right, causing some mischief on Halloween night.
Supersonic Owlette.
Connor, Greg! Look at my super awesome new tablet computer. It does everything. Check it out. Wow!
Cool!
I can even use it to drive remote-controlled vehicles. Look! Thank you. How'd I ever live without it? It's amazing.
Yeah, it's cool. You can do most of those things without the tablet, though.
Sure, but it's more fun with it. Why chase that ball when you can let the tablet play?
Yeah, well, I like playing soccer with Greg better than with a tablet.
So let's finish our game. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
Something's up at HQ.
Let's check it out.
I'll bring my tablet. It will totally help us.
PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette. Yeah!
Greg becomes Connor becomes
Catboy!
The PJ Masks! Welcome, PJ Pests.
Romeo? How did you get in?
Duh, I'm an evil genius in case you forgot. And with my new genius teleporter, I can go anywhere, like here, to take over your HQ. You can't run HQ without our PJ picture player, and the alarm shut it down. I was wondering where those controls were.
This is fun. It is awesome here.
Hey, that's my video game.
Not anymore. This is my HQ now. Romeo.
So Robot will do what he likes until Master figures out the PJ Picture Player.
Yes, and then I'll use all its functions and powers to take over the world!
What makes you think we won't stop you? Especially when I have this!
Like you and your silly tablet could stop me. Especially when you won't be here. Time to let the genius work.
I don't think so, Romeo.
Say bye-bye, PJ Masks. Whoa! What happened?
Fluttering feathers! Romeo teleported us right out of HQ! The same way he teleported himself in.
We've got to get him out of HQ before he figures out how to turn on the PJ Picture Player.
He doesn't have a chance. Follow me and my amazing tablet.
At least Romeo hasn't figured out how to lock the doors yet. Let's go! Okay, I'll super cat speed to the cat car and set off its alarm.
Then while Romeo tries to stop it, we can grab his teleporter. Good plan.
We don't have to do all of that. Thanks to my new tablet, I'll just set off the cat car's alarm from here.
Whoa! Huh?
Oops.
Good try, PJ Pest, but you're out of here! Huh? Will you stop playing that video game, Robot? Time to work. Find the entrance the PJ Pest used to get back in here.
Ouch!
Huh? Whoa! Don't worry, I'm working out our next move. Oops. Sorry, guys.
Owlette, we didn't need the tablet. Catboy had things covered.
It was my bad, not the tablets. I just hit the wrong key. Next time, it's definitely going to save the day.
Robot guards the door. No one may pass.
How are we going to get past that big tin doorstop?
I'll pounce out and draw him over to the bushes. That'll give you guys time to get behind him and trip him up.
No need. My tablet can control Robot. I just need to log on to his control sensors.
Wait, Owlette!
Did it. Watch this.
What is happening? Why is Robot using HQ as a big drum? Stop that!
Gasping geckos, Owlette, what are you doing?
This is a catastrophe! Let's stop him!
There must be something wrong with Robot sensors. This should be easy. Hang on a sec.
What's going on, Robot? Oh, I see. Nice try, Featherbrain. But Robot only obeys his genius creator. Back inside you go to get fixed.
Gecko, quick! Super cat leap!
Oh, no you don't. I need some peace and quiet to get that picture player figured out.
Wow! Calm down, guys. It's just a fossil. We're in the museum.
No more tablet, Owlette. It's not working.
Catboy's right. We need to take care of Romeo ourselves before it's too late.
The tablet did get rid of Robot, just not in the way I expected. Wait till you see what it does next.
But
we need to... It'll be fine. Let's go. See? No Robot. He must still be getting fixed. All thanks to my tablet.
While Robot's off recharging, I'm turning this PJ Picture Player on. And at last, I found their backup switch. No! Aha! The PJ Pest! And look!
No way, Romeo. My tablet will stop you.
Oh, yeah? Not if I turn on your force field feature.
Well, I can turn it off again.
And I can turn it on again. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Off!
On!
Off!
On!
Off!
On!
Off!
On!
Off!
On!
Come on, come on, come on!
PJ Picture Player's delicate.
Don't push it too hard.
It's fine. We have to get in. No! My tablet! What did I do? Uh-oh!
HQ's rocket ship function is for ultimate disasters and total emergencies only.
Ooh, why just have an HQ when you can have an HQ spaceship and fly at supersonic speed? Thanks for your help, Featherbrain. But none of you are coming on this ride. No! Gotcha.
Look!
We're going to lose HQ.
No! Romeo only found the rocket function because of me using my tablet.
It's okay, Owlette, but this doesn't look good.
We have to do something.
And I know what. I'm going after that rocket myself, without the tablet.
But even you can't fly that fast.
Oh, yes, I can. Time to be a hero.
Super Gecko muscles!
Ugh! Okay, Catboy, hold on to one of my feet. And when I shout fly, Gecko, you grab the other. Okay, here comes Supersonic Owlette. Ready, set, fly! Super Owl Wings! Way to go, Owlette!
I'm going to rule the world! From the ground and from the air! Robot, give me that thing!
1 more minute.
Hand it over!
I am almost finished this level.
Catboy, you keep an eye on Romeo and Robot, while I quietly fly Gecko to the PJ Picture Player and drop him in.
Right! Then I deactivate the rocket in Super Gecko camouflage.
1 more minute.
Okay, but turn the sound down. Super Gecko camouflage! What? Oh, I should have known this thing would be unreliable, because I didn't build it. Right, Robot? Oh, forget it. At least HQ will be destroyed once and for all. Let's go. What? No!
Enjoy the trip, Romeo. We'll keep your teleporter nice and safe here in HQ.
Ah! Huh?
Hurry! We've only got seconds.
We did it. HQ safe.
Oh, those PJ Packs make me so angry.
Robot wins.
Ah! I'll get you, PJ Masks!
I will catch you, Master.
PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day! Hey, Maya, want to play this new video game?
It's called Soaring Tag. It's amazing. You're gonna love it.
Thanks, guys. But I prefer to play the good old-fashioned way. Tag!